Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the data type in table. As you can see, I have already created a table, and these are the data types like this is auto number, this is short text, and this is short text as well. If you want to create a new columns and change the data type of these columns, you can also do that. So what we need to do, we have to click on the view section, and after clicking on the view, has an option for the design view. Let's click on the design view. And after that, as you can see, has an option for the name. So if you want to change data type of this, you can also do that. For example, instead of name, I'm going to write the here number. And after writing the number, as you can see, let's click on this. And now here I'm going to select the number again. And after that, if you want to add a new column, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to write the DOB here. DOB means date of birth. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, for example, I want the calendar here, then we need to select the date and time option. So as you can see, I have selected this one. And after selecting this, what we need to do, simply we need to go to this view section, and we have to click on this. And now simply we need to click on the data sheet view. So let's click on this. And now we need to save this. We have to click on the yes. So as you can see, has in view data sheet view. This is known as data sheet view. And if you click on the number, now you can add the numbers here. You can't add the text here because we have already changed the data type of this column. And after that, as you can see, we have also inserted a DOB column. And after that, as you can see, we have also inserted a DOB column. If you see has in calendar, you have to click on this. And now you just need to select the date and this click on this, and the date will be inserted automatically. So in this way you can change the data type and add the columns in MS Access table. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the data type and add the columns in MS Access. So see you guys in the next video.